So today we want to trace the polar curve. So what is polar curve? Polar curve is a curve which contains the theta and r. So let us take the equation of polar curve is given by r equal to f of theta and theta is equal to f of r. So this is polar curve. We want to trace this curve. So if you want to trace that, we will check the following points. What is the first point? First point is symmetry. So there are three types of symmetry in case of polar curve. The first one is about the pole. So we have already seen that what is the meaning of polar curve. If you want to trace any polar curve, what is needed over here? So first thing is the origin. Origin is replaced by pole. So we cannot say that it is origin, it is a pole. Okay, 0, 0 is what it is? Pole instead of origin. And x-axis is called line theta equal to 0, initial line theta equal to 0. Y-axis is called a line perpendicular to initial line at pole or through pole, or sometimes we simply say that it is line theta equal to pi by 2. This is negative x-axis is called line theta equal to pi, and negative y-axis is called line theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Okay, so this is regarding the polar curve. So if you want to trace the if you want to check the symmetry of polar curve, so first thing is about the pole. So about the pole means what? If we replace r by minus r, because in polar curve r and theta will be given. So first thing, if we replace r by minus r, if there is no change in the given equation, then we say that the curve is symmetric about pole. Clearly, if the power of r is even, and if the power of r is even, then any curve will be symmetric about the pole. Second symmetric is about the initial line theta equal to 0. So if we replace theta by minus theta, if we replace theta by minus theta and the equation of the curve will not change, then we say that the curve is symmetric about initial line theta equal to 0. So let us see here, we have given equation r equal to a times 1 plus cos theta. So if we replace theta by minus theta, so cos of minus theta is cos theta. So the equation r equal to a times 1 plus cos theta will not change. So that's why this curve is symmetric about the initial line theta equal to 0. Third one is about the line perpendicular to the initial line through the pole, or simply we say that it is line theta equal to pi by 2. So if you want to check the symmetry about this line theta equal to pi by 2, we have to check in two ways. What is the first way? We replace theta by minus theta and r by minus r. So any polar curve, if we replace theta by minus theta, r by minus r, and if there is no change in the given curve, then we say that the curve is symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2. For example, if we have given a r square equal to a square cos 2 theta, so clearly if we replace r by minus r, it will not change, and theta by minus theta, cos of minus theta is again cos theta. So the equation of the curve will not change. So therefore this curve is symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2. Similarly, if we take another example, if we take r equal to a sin theta, a sin theta. So clearly if we replace r by minus r, it is minus r, and theta is minus theta, so minus a sin theta. So what will happen? This minus minus will cancel and we are getting the same original equation. So this equation is also, this polar curve is also the symmetric about line theta equal to pi by 2. Next, if this will not happen, suppose the first thing is not correct for any curve, then we check the second. What is this? If the equation of the curve remains unchanged by changing theta to pi minus theta. If the given curve remains unchanged by changing theta to pi minus theta, then we say that the curve is symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2. For example, just look here, r is equal to a times 1 plus sine theta. So what is sine pi minus theta means? Sine 180 minus theta. So sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So clearly if we replace this theta by pi minus theta, then the curve will not change. Just look here, if we replace r by minus r and theta by minus theta, if we replace r by minus r and theta by minus theta, then the equation of curve will be automatically changed. So if you want to check about the first check, our first way, this equation is not symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2. But if we replace theta by pi minus theta, then the curve is symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2. So we have to very much careful about checking the symmetry about the line theta equal to pi by 2. So this is only the 3 symmetry in polar curve. Next one is what is the pole. So pole is what? Pole is also called the origin. Okay, so origin is called pole in case of polar curve. So here, for any value of theta, if r is 0, then curve passes through pole. So let us consider if we have given r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. So for any value of, for which value of theta, r should be 0. Okay, for which value of theta, r should be 0. So if for any value of theta, r is 0, then we say that the curve is symmetric about pole. So let us see here, if this is cos 2 theta, so we know that cos pi by 2 is 0. So if you put a square cos 2 times of pi by 4, if you put theta equal to pi by 4, then what we are getting? We are getting a square cos pi by 2, but what is cos pi by 2? It is 0. So the value of r is 0. So for value of theta, which is pi by 4 over here, the value of r is 0. Therefore, the curve passes through pole. So for any value of theta, theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. For any value of theta, if r is 0, then we say that the curve is symmetric about the curve passes through the pole. Next, second thing is if the curve passes through pole, then how to find the tangent at pole? So tangent at pole can be obtained by putting r equal to 0. So what we will do? We simply put r equal to 0, then we are able to find out the tangent at pole. For example, suppose we have given r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. This is the equation of polar curve. So if you want to find the tangent at pole, what we will do? Let us put r square equal to 0. So we are getting a square cos 2 theta equal to 0. Okay, so this a square cannot become 0. So cos theta equal to 0, and cos 2 theta equal to 0 means for which value of theta? Cos theta is 0. So odd multiplication of pi by 2. So pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, and so on. Okay, so what is 2 theta? 2 theta is equal to, this is the value of cosine. So 2 theta is equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, and so on. So now these are what? So what is theta? Theta is equal to pi by 4. We have already seen that pi by 4, if you put theta equal to pi by 4, then the value of r is 0. So theta equal to pi by 4 is the tangent at pole. Similarly, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4, 11 pi by 4, all are the tangent at pole. So now in this manner, we are able to find out the tangent at pole. Next thing is angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Okay, so if we are able to find out the tangent at pole, but what about the tangent at other points? So for that reason, what we will do? Let us see here what is the value of tan phi. Okay, in case of Cartesian curve, what is dy dx? Dy dx is tan psi. Yeah, tan phi. Okay, this is tan phi, but this dy dx is replaced by polar curve. What is that? It is r d theta dr. This is the value of r d theta dr. So we will try to find out the value of this angle. So what we will do with the formula tan phi is equal to r d theta dr, we can find phi and also the points where phi is 0 or infinity. What is the meaning of phi 0 or infinity? If phi is 0, what it means? The tangent line makes the 0, tangent line will be parallel to the initial line theta equal to 0. And if it is infinity, then it is parallel to the line theta equal to pi by 2. Okay. Next thing is table values. So we make the table values of theta and r. Okay, and this table we will take some values of r and theta. So how much values we have to put? Because the value of theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. So if the curve is symmetric about the initial line, if the curve is symmetric about this line, initial line means theta equal to 0. So we only take the value of theta from 0 to pi. Okay. If the curve is symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2, so what we will do, we take the angle lies between this two, theta equal to pi by 2 and it is theta equal to 3 pi by 2. In between this one side only, either this side or this side. Okay, if the curve is symmetric about both the line, like initial line as well as line theta equal to pi by 2, so we only trace the curve from theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi by 2. So if you want to make a table values, what is the meaning of table values? So for different value of theta, what are the different values of r, and the how much values of theta we have to consider? The value of theta which decides the curve is symmetric about which axis. If the curve is symmetric about initial line, then we have to find out the value of theta from 0 to pi. If the curve is symmetric about both the lines, then the only theta will be 0 to pi by 2. Right? Next thing is asymptotes. Find the asymptotes if possible, but 99.99% cases we don't have the asymptotes of the polar curve. Next, reason of absence of the curve. So here we will take this some points over here. First one, solve the equation for r and check how r varies as theta increases from 0 to plus infinity, and also when theta decreases from 0 to minus infinity. So if we increase the value of theta, what is the value of r? If we decrease the value of theta, what is the value of r? So we will see that, and according to that, we are able to trace the curve. Second thing, if for some value of theta, if r square is negative, what it means? R is imaginary. Then there is no branch of the curve exists for that value of theta. This is very important point. Huh? If r square is negative, what it means? The value of r will be imaginary. So there is no branch of the curve for which theta is equal to, for which r is negative. Means for any value of theta, if we are getting r square equal to negative, then there is no part of the curve lie for that value of theta. Next thing, if the maximum numerical value of r is a, and it may also happen that suppose, let us see here, suppose we want to trace r equal to a square cos 2 theta. For example, r square equal to a square cos theta. So we know that what is the minimum value of cos theta? It is -1. What is the maximum value of cos theta? It is +1. So what it means? The cos theta lies between -1 to +1. This is -1 to +1. So what it means? Means r lies between plus a to minus a. So what it means? The total curve, this total curve lie inside the circle of radius a. Similarly, if we have given r is equal to a sine 2 theta, for example. So again, look here, what is the value of sine theta? Minimum value of sine theta is -1. Maximum value of sine theta is +1. So whole curve lie inside the circle of radius a. So now this says that if the maximum numerical value of r is a, then the entire curve will lie within a circle of radius a. So is it clear? These are the some points. We have to follow that points and we will trace the given curve. Sometime also the one point is left. What is that point? For any value of theta, if r is negative, not r square. Huh? For any value of theta, if r is negative, what it means? The value of r will be just opposite to that. Suppose for example, this is theta equal to pi by 2. So if you are putting the value of theta is pi by 2 and the value of r is equal to, suppose it is -a. So what it means? That -a means what? It will be opposite direction. So that this is -a. This will be a. Because in case of polar curve, r should not be negative. R will never negative. Correct? So if we are getting for any value of theta, if r is negative, what it means? The value of r is just opposite to the given angle. So let us try to trace the curve. We want to trace the curve r square is equal to a square cos 2 theta. So the name of this curve is called lemniscate. Okay, so r square equal to a square cos theta. So what is the first point? If you want to trace this curve, the first point is symmetry. So if we check the symmetry, just look here, symmetry, what is the first symmetry? About the pole. So just look here, if we replace r by minus r, then the equation of curve will not change because the power of r is r square. So if we replace r by minus r, it will be no change in the given curve. So the given curve is symmetric about the pole. So since the equation to the curve remains unchanged by changing r to minus r. So the given curve is symmetric about the pole. Second, about the initial line theta equal to 0. Since the equation of the curve remains unchanged, by changing theta to minus theta, because what is the cos of minus theta? Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So the given curve is symmetric about the initial line theta equal to 0. Next, about the line perpendicular to initial line through the pole, that is line theta equal to pi by 2. Again, since the equation of the curve remains unchanged by changing theta to minus theta and r to minus r. If we replace r by minus r over here, minus r whole square is equal to a square cos of minus 2 theta. Definitely the equation will not change. We get the same equation of curve. So therefore, the curve is also symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2. So now this is the curve. This curve is symmetric about pole, about initial line theta equal to 0, and about the line theta equal to pi by 2. Next pole. Clearly, if we put theta equal to pi by 4, what is the value of r? It is 0. If you put theta equal to pi by 2, so pi by 4 it is what? It is cos pi by 2, and cos pi by 2 is 0, so r will become 0. So the curve passes through pole. Now second thing is, we have to find out the tangent at pole. So how to find tangent at pole? Tangent at pole is given by r square equal to r equal to 0. R equal to 0 means r square equal to 0. What is the value of r square? A square cos 2 theta equal to 0. But a square is absolute constant. It cannot be 0. So cos 2 theta equal to 0. And cos 2 theta is 0 means what? Theta equal to 2 theta equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 11 pi by 2, and so on. So what is the value of theta? It is pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4. So now I think we have infinitely many values, correct? But we have to take only the values of theta which lies between 0 to 2 pi. Because 9 pi by 4 is what? It is more than 2 pi. 2 pi plus pi by 4. Okay. So we won't consider the values of theta which is greater than 2 pi. So we have only 4 tangent at pole. Theta equal to pi by 4, theta equal to 3 pi by 4, theta equal to 5 pi by 4, and theta equal to 7 pi by 4. So we have 4 tangent at pole. Next, angle between the radius vector and the tangent. So differentiating one with respect to theta, we have, what is the derivative of r square? It is 2r dr d theta. Derivative of a square cos 2 theta is a square sin 2 theta minus a square sin 2 theta, and 2 theta is again 2. So we are getting minus 2a square sin 2 theta. So r dr d theta is minus a square sin 2 theta. What is dr d theta? Minus a square sin 2 theta upon r. But now it should be just opposite. It is d theta dr. So just let us reverse it. So d theta dr is equal to what? It is r upon minus a square sin 2 theta. And we are multiplying with r because r is present over here. So it is r square upon minus a square sin 2 theta. But what is the value of r square? It is a square cos 2 theta. So again substitute the value of r square, a square cos 2 theta upon minus a square sin 2 theta. So minus a square will cancel. So tan phi is equal to minus of cot 2 theta. And cot 2 theta is what? It is tan pi by 2 plus 2 theta. So the value of phi is equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. So this, with the help of this relation, we are able to find out the value of phi for any value of theta. Next one is the table values. So table values means, now just look here. This curve is symmetric about pole, symmetric about initial line theta equal to 0, and symmetric about the line theta equal to pi by 2. So we have to only trace the curve in first quadrant. Okay, then we are able to trace the remaining part of the curve. So that's why in the table value we have taken only the 4 values, means the values which from 0 to pi by 2. So if theta equal to 0, let us see what is the equation. This is r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. If cos theta equal to 0, so cos 0 is equal to 1. So we are getting r is equal to a. Okay, and what is phi? If theta equal to 0 over here, phi is equal to pi by 2. phi is equal to pi by 2. Similarly, if you put pi by 4, we have already seen that r equal to 0. And what is phi? Phi is pi by 4 plus pi by, again it is what? It is pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is, it is pi. Okay, similarly, if you put pi by 2, if you put pi by 2, what will happen? It is cos pi. R square, what we are getting? We are getting cos pi. A square cos pi. So cos pi is -1. So we are getting r square equal to minus a square. What it means? The curve will not possible for theta equal to pi by 2. Correct? Reason of absence. So just look here. If theta increases from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, then r square remains negative. Okay, so r becomes imaginary, and hence there is no part of the curve which exists from theta equal to pi by 4 to theta equal to 3 pi by 4. Correct? Second is, if theta increases from 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, same situation will come. Then again r square remains negative, so r becomes imaginary, and hence there is no part of the curve exists for theta equal to 5 pi by 4 to theta equal to 7 pi by 4. When theta equal to 0, r is equal to plus minus a, that is curve passes through the points a0 and minus a0. Okay, minus a0 means what? It is the opposite of theta equal to 0. Hence the approximate shape of the curve is as shown in the figure. Just look here, how to trace this curve. First thing, this is line theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. This is line theta equal to pi by 2. This line is theta equal to pi. This is line theta equal to 3 pi by 2. Correct? Next, this is point A0. This is point A minus 0. And again, at pole, that pole, how many tangent? This is one tangent. Pi by 4 is tangent. 3 pi by 4 is tangent. 5 pi by 4 is tangent. And 7 pi by 4 is tangent. So there are 4 tangents over here. And we have already seen that pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4 in this region, r square will be negative. R square will be negative. So there is no part of the curve in this region. In the same manner over here, there is no part of the curve. Why? Because for this value of theta, r square should be negative, means r is imaginary. And again, at this point A0, at point A0, when theta equal to 0, r is equal to plus minus a. So plus minus a means this is a0 and this is minus a0. Correct? And what is the tangent at this point? It is pi by 2. We call it angle phi is what? It is pi by 2. Pi by 2 means what? At this point, tangent line makes pi by 2 angle with x-axis. So this is what? It is pi by 2, angle pi by 2. This is, we can also say positive direction, it is pi by 2. So tangent at this point makes pi by 2 angle. In the same case, at minus a0, angle tangent will be perpendicular to the initial line. So what we will get, this is tangent at this point. Okay, this is tangent at this point. Let us first trace the first quadrant. Okay, first we are getting, this is initial line. Okay, when theta equal to 0, r is equal to a, right? This is the tangent at this point. This is the tangent at this point. So how to trace? This is tangent. Let us see, this is like this. And this is also tangent. Okay. So if that will meet to each other. So this is the first part of the curve, is the first quadrant. And now, since the curve is symmetric about the line theta equal to 0, so we get the same type of curve over here. Since the curve is symmetric about the initial line, line theta equal to pi by 2, so we will get the same type of curve. Okay. So this is called the lemniscate. The name of this curve is called lemniscate. So this is one example of the polar curve. Let us take one more example, then it will clear. Trace the curve r equal to a times of 1 plus cos theta. Again, we will check the following points about the symmetry. Since what is the power of r? What is power of r over here? It is r equal to 1. So if we replace r by minus r, clearly the equation of curve will change. So the curve is not symmetric about pole. So if it is not symmetric about pole, no need to write it. We only write the symmetric about which the curve is symmetric. Okay. Let us see about the initial line theta equal to 0. So if we replace theta by minus theta, so cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So clearly we can write it, r is equal to a1 plus cos theta will never change if we replace theta by minus theta. Okay, so the curve is symmetric about the initial line theta equal to 0. Similarly for pole, it passes through pole or not. So clearly if you put theta equal to pi, so what is cos pi? Cos pi is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So the value of r is 0. So clearly if you put theta equal to pi, r should be 0. So the curve passes through pole. What is the tangent at pole? So we have to just put r equal to 0. We have to put r equal to 0. R equal to 0 means a times of 1 plus cos theta equal to 0. A cannot be 0. So 1 plus cos theta equal to 0. So cos theta equal to minus 1 or cos pi. So theta is equal to pi. Okay. Correct. It will also cos 3 pi. If we can also take cos 3 pi. But 3 pi will be what? It is more than 2 pi. So no need to consider it. So only we have one tangent at pole, which is theta equal to pi. Next point is angle between the radius vector and the tangent. So here again differentiating one with respect to theta, what we are getting, dr d theta is equal to a times of, this is 0, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, so minus a sin theta, just reverse it. So d theta dr is 1 upon minus a sin theta, r d theta dr is r times of r upon minus a sin theta, and if what is the value of r, r is equal to a times of 1 plus a cos theta. So r is equal to a times of 1 plus cos theta. So this a will cancel. What is cos theta? 1 plus cos theta? It is 2 cos square theta by 2. And what is sin theta? It is cos theta by 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta by 2. So 1 cos theta by 2 will cancel. 2 will cancel. What we are getting? Cos theta by 2 upon minus sin theta by 2 is minus cot theta by 2. Or we can write it phi is equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So now this is what? Why it is needed? Because for any value of theta, we are able to say that if suppose theta equal to 0, suppose theta equal to 0, so at theta equal to 0, what is tangent? Tangent line makes pi by 2. Suppose here theta equal to 0, what is phi? Pi is equal to pi by 2 plus 0. Pi by plus 2 plus 0 means pi by 2. So at theta equal to 0, the tangent of the given curve will make pi by 2 angle with initial line, means x-axis. Correct. So what it means? If it is initial line, the tangent at this point will be perpendicular to the initial line. So this will help us. Table values, again, the curve is symmetric about only the initial line. So we have to find out the value of theta from 0 to pi. So suppose this is the curve. If theta equal to 0, what is the value of r? It is this cos theta, cos 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2a. And if it is 0, what is the value of phi? It is pi by 2. Similarly, if you put pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 is 0. So we are getting r equal to a, and it is 3 pi by 2. If you put theta equal to pi, the value of r is 0, and this is again pi. Okay. Next, it is clear from the table that if theta increases from 0 to pi, if theta increases from 0 to pi, just look here, it is 0, pi by 2, pi. So theta is increasing, the value of r is decreasing, 2a, a and 0. Initially the value of r is 2a when theta equal to 0, then it is a and then it is 0. So the value of r is decreasing. Okay. And then what is the approximate shape of the given curve? This is the approximate shape of the given curve. Let us see here, this is what? It is theta equal to 0, theta equal to pi by 2, theta equal to pi, and theta equal to 3 pi by 2. So just look here, this theta equal to pi is the tangent, and it is symmetric about which line? This is the initial line. About the initial line, the curve is symmetric. Okay. Is it clear? So now, and just look here, this is called, it is called cardioid. Cardioid. Cardiologist, we said this is the heart shaped curve. So sometimes it is also called cardioid. So this is the curve which is r equal to a1 plus cos theta. Similarly, you can also trace r is equal to a1 plus sine theta. What is that? It will be, we can also trace the curve r square is equal to a square sine 2 theta. Okay, with the help of the same, in the same method, we can also trace this curve. So the next part is the exercise for you. Trace the following curve. A r square equal to a square sine 2 theta. In the same manner, we can trace this curve, correct? But this curve is not symmetric about the, because if we replace theta by minus theta, just look here, theta by minus theta, it will change. Okay, so it is not symmetric about the line, initial line theta equal to 0. This is what it is symmetric about initial line, but it is not symmetric about pole. R is equal to a1 plus sine theta. dr is equal to a1 minus sine theta. 2a is equal to r times 1 plus sine theta. So these are some examples. You should try to trace this curve.